Captain Simian and the Space Monkeys.
Oh, no! You almost fell off your leaf.
So this Anthony on Twinkle 415 quart room is going to exchange rate of 62.3, and if I add an Latinium at 18 grep nebbies of a carat, I get a profit of
43.
43. Carry the 1. Intergalactic transport tax of 8.5% makes
43.
43. Minus labor charges makes
43.
43? That can't be right.
In the wind, that which does not bend will break, Captain.
I don't know about that, Goddess, but when you get down to crunch time, I still like to take the direct approach. Yeah! Of course, I could be wrong.
Explain it to me again.
It's a cocoon, Gor. He's going inside.
Why?
It's like a changing room.
But why does he want to change?
It's just something he does. He doesn't stay a caterpillar his whole life. He turns into a butterfly.
A butterfly. What about bears?
Bears? What in the monkey-loving bears don't make cocoons?
You said he turns into a butterfly. Suppose he wants to turn into a bear.
Hold that thought.
Oops.
I'm being bombarded with tri-gamma electron beams, Captain. Toward what purpose, I cannot say.
It is dropping in and out of warp, Captain. We cannot keep up with it.
Here, little guy.
Check that it's the direct approach. Tracking bogey at intercept vector Tangerine Kiwi 4.
Captain, do not attempt direct approach. Remember.
Yeah, I know. Bend, but don't break. Mayday, Avenger. I think I broke when I should have bent. Tracking systems damaged. Return to base. And Shaolin, if you say I told you so...
Captain, I derive no pleasure from either your failure or your stubbornness.
That was an I told you so. So, does our friend want to talk, or is this an invitation to dance?
Hailing him, Cap. Oh, great. They put me on hold.
Strangely soothing.
I've determined the purpose of the electron beam, Captain. It is an analytical life form scan.
They can look, just as long as they don't touch.
This has never happened to me before.
Hurry, grab my hand.
Spider, no!
Something tells me this wasn't a good idea.
Get a fix on them. Come on, scramble, go!
Captain, they're gone.
Gone? That's not good enough. I want answers.
Here, I says, grab my hand, I says, and look where it gets me. Kidnapped by I don't know who from I don't know where, trapped in the middle of I don't know what.
Oh, yes! Well, look what we have here. A prime example of the best the galaxy has to offer. Only in Andromeda!
Yeah, well, thanks for that there, but technically I'm not actually from the Andromeda Galaxy, but I go there on weekends. Beautiful when I get...
And what do they call you, my big, giant, gorgeous friend?
They call me Gor.
Yes. Well, I imagine they call you whatever you want them to, eh? And listen, they call me Apex.
Great. Real flippin' nifty to meet you, Apex. Now, if you just zap us back to our ship... Ow!
Sorry, my diminutive but talkative friend, but fate has brought Gor to me, and I have no choice but to help fulfill his destiny!
Oh!
on the scan. I believe I have my next champion!
What happened?
Nothing. Only you just saved us from the big bad furniture. You want to clock something? Clock him!
Blood sports are all the rage in this quadrant. Your friend is quite a find. But tell me, just for curiosity, why shouldn't I kill you?
Ever hear Rocky O'Bannon, Sugar Ray Bradbury, Smoking Joe Straczynski?
These would be fighters with difficult names, I presume?
Fighters? These was champions. And I trained the monkey-loving lot of them.
Really? Well, you may be useful after all. Oh, I love this galaxy. Only in Andromeda!
Our friends will come.
Are you kidding? Do you have any idea what the chances are of finding us here?
Stow the technobabble. Just how big a snowball are we talking about?
Alien ship possesses an untraceable warp signature.
Well, that's the old ball game.
Not quite. I can design a Lorentzometer, a device that uses chaos theory to measure warp fields.
What's the catch?
Catch? There's no dang catch.
Well, I suppose it is possible it might burn a hole in space and scatter our atoms into an infinite succession of parallel universes.
I'd call that a catch.
Jag nostra inte för dag. Bortunda när dag kan.
Renox, biggest little space station in the quadrant.
Disneyland meets the Death Star.
Right above us, in this arena, your name, my friend, will be in lights.
I want to go home.
Home is where the money is.
I want to go home now.
Of course, yes, and you will. But first, a little snack, perhaps.
Ixnay on the Anana Bays.
Sorry about that.
The good news is you have a job for life. The bad news is that might not be terribly long.
Called the Lorentzometer. I've used the circuitry of the Orbitron to create a device of infinite intricacy and delicate fabric.
Yeah, but will it work?
Sure. You just clunked a good one right there.
That was extremely painful, not to mention useless.
Hot diggity, the doohickey worked.
Oh, at last my life has meaning. Can I go now?
Warp engendered fold detected at 8.6 parsecs. Course, orange, monkey, delta 9.
Check. Laying in course.
I just hope it is not too late.
Remember, big guy, stick and move. What's my name? Stick and move.
What does that mean, Spider?
It means, stick and I guess move.
Oh,
Oh, baby, this is gonna be no contest. Look at that space alien mook, and I was worried.
I have to hit him, but I might hurt him.
It's dog eat dog, Gor. Dog eat dog.
But Spider, I don't want to eat a dog.
Well, this dog wants to eat you.
You hit me. You are angry, but I did nothing.
So much for having the crowd on our side.
hitting is wrong. I know a story about that.
He's a slow starter.
You're right. I am displacing my anger. I just want to be loved. Is that so wrong?
There. Doesn't that feel better?
He's ruining me.
Ruining you? He retired 3 opponents.
I don't want him to talk them out of the ring. I want him to knock them out of the ring. Well, let's see how your friend does against a cyber gladiator from Jarlax's 9. You can't talk to them.
I know an organ grinder like that.
Uh-oh. I am very sorry. I hope I did not hurt you.
What is he doing? I won't fight. If he doesn't finish him, I'll finish you.
Go on, buddy, you have to fight him. Wait, I know. Let's pretend. Pretend he ripped up your flower.
I can grow a new one.
He broke your telescope.
I can always get a new telescope.
He eats baby caterpillars as an appetizer.
Now, that's more like it. Only in Andromeda.
I told you not to worry. I'm the trainer of champions.
Indeed. Well, now I'll be taking over Gor's training. He may be just what I've been looking for.
Prepare for the worst. I don't like the looks of this place.
I am ready for anything.
Oh, don't make with the shooting and the hurting with the aliens and the loudness.
Practically anything.
The way I see it, most of the big bucks come from endorsements. I've already thought of a great campaign. Gor knows bowling. Gor knows Batman, etc. What do you think, big guy?
I think if the caterpillar wants to be a butterfly, that is his own business. Uh-oh. Here I go again.
Hey, where you taking him? Hey! Okay, that's the way you want it? No monkey-loving alien mook oil salesman is gonna keep this monkey locked up!
Whoa.
What can I say, Gor? You're very impressive, but you lack that killer instinct. It's taken me years to perfect this isotope. Lots of near misses, lots of failure.
I'm a victim of circumstance.
But now, with my brains and your brawn, you'll be the greatest gladiator in the galaxy!
But I don't want to be.
Like I should care.
Spider!
I am happy for your safety.
Where's Gor?
It could be too late.
I believe I have extrapolated his coordinates from the variable pattern of his life form reading, Captain.
And I know where the big galoot is, too.
That's Apex, that big ugly mook, and I mean that just the way it sounds.
Back away from him, mister, before I get unsociable.
Interesting proposition. And why don't you talk it over with my associate?
Space monkeys, flip out!
At last,
Big? Big? He's Gormongus!
Stop with the hitting and the hurting and the bruising with the
All right, mister, that's insubordination.
He cannot tell friend from foe.
Set weapons to stun. Sorry, big guy. With him?
Not a chance, Captain.
This way. No, this way.
Gor, listen. You gotta listen. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Gor. Kumbaya. Yes, you are a mother's little angel who's a big boy rocking a dude. That's nice. All right. It's his favorite song. I like his potential.
Today we shall use the direct approach.
It's over, Apex.
Wrong, Captain. My career is just beginning.
We're okay, Cap. Go get Chucklehead.
In Andromeda.
I've come here to eat bananas and kick butt, and I'm all out of bananas. Here, fellas, time to teach your old boss some new tricks.
Glad to see you guys. I've been thinking about some new fringe benefits. How does complete medical sound? Dental. Only in
You have learned something about the strength of softness, Captain.
Yeah, but sometimes a direct approach works pretty well, too. Doc, is Gor gonna be all right?
According to my analysis, he will. The isotope changed him. It's part of him now.
Dang weird part.
Hey, big guy. I got something for you.
Little guy. He's changed.
Yeah? Well, he ain't the only one.